screen.
You understand that?
40 yards? Hell no.
You guys are not doing any pass blocking. You're just stepping aside and letting them walk in.
Pop, 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 pop. That's what I want. All of you around that ball.
To go for 2 and get it every single time, that is ridiculous. Do you realize they have not even kicked a field goal yet?
We not trying to coach y'all now. Coach done gave y'all all these adjustments, okay? If you do everything the coach told you to do.
2-point conversions, I want those gone. Here's what we're going to do right here. We're going to use our speed. We're going to run Texas Power for 4.
What's wrong with y'all? Y'all play like some little girls. Y'all like y'all never played football before. These guys are nothing.
You hear me?
They breathe just like we do.
Yes, sir.
They sweat just like we do.
Do you hear me?
They went through 2 days. We went through 2 days in 110-degree heat. Yes, I want you to hit everything that move. If the ref gets in your way, you hit him. Okay, then, let's play. But they're cheating us too. They're against us too. This is our team. This is us. Let's go right now. Let's get it up now. Let's go.
Hey! It's a lock on us. Money by Jackson! And we can't pay the cost.